Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to your start menu, and then this time you have to look for device manager. So basically, once you found it, all you have to do is tap on open. Now here on the device manager, you have to right click to see the device manager and expand it. So find the device, expand the category, for example, display adapters. Right click on the device you want to update. So I want to update a display adapters here. Right click and you should see the update driver option. So basically just click update driver from the menu, choose search option. You can select search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the latest driver and install it if available. As you can see, I'm currently using the latest version, updated version of my driver, so no need for me to update. However, you can also update your driver by using Windows Update. You can now click on Windows Update and check for updates. Just click check for updates. If Windows find any driver updates, they will download it and install automatically. Of course, you need to restart if prompted to apply the updates. So restart your PC after. You can also update by browsing, so you can search for your product model. You can download the latest driver. You can download the compatible driver for Windows 11. Install the driver manually. Open the downloaded file and follow on-screen instructions to install it. So that's how easy it is to update drivers in Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.